Hello and welcome back to the Ultimate Facepalm channel. You're here because you want to know how to format a hard drive. So I'm going to show you how to format a hard drive right away. I'm not going to waste any of your time. Go to the Windows icon in the bottom left hand corner. Click it. Type in the word disk. You should see create and format hard drive partition right here. Go ahead and click that guy. Then you're going to have this menu pop up and it's going to say disk management. From this point, wow, my camera's really on. You're going to go and find the newly installed hard drive. In my last video that I did with hardware, I did an M.2 drive. So this is the M.2 that I installed. To format it, you're going to right click and you're going to go to format. Then you're going to hit the OK after you hit perform quick format. And it's going to go through a process. And it's going to say how much space it has. And you're going to hit acknowledge or OK and accept, and then it's going to format the hard drive, and then it'll be done. It's as simple as that. To confirm it's formatted, you'll see that it has a partition on it. You could also check in your computer shortcut. You'll see that the hard drive you've installed is actually right there too. So that's it. That's all you need to do to format a hard drive. If you have any questions or concerns or you need help with anything, go ahead and feel free to comment below. If you liked this quick video tutorial on how to format a hard drive, please like and subscribe. All my subscribers matter, and all those viewers, I appreciate all your views. And, you know, quarantine is having us all go kind of stir crazy. So hopefully you guys are all doing all right. And hopefully you enjoyed my video. So anyways, until next time, have a nice day. Stay healthy. Goodbye.